Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews. First, are you looking for the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Experience next-level driving protection with the 3K 4-channel dash cam, engineered to deliver a complete 560-degree all-sides view for unmatched coverage on the road. This advanced system features front, rear, and interior cameras, ensuring every angle around your vehicle is recorded in crisp 3K clarity. Whether you're commuting, ride-sharing, or heading out on long trips, you'll have reliable visual evidence at all times. The intuitive 3.18-inch touchscreen provides smooth, user-friendly control, allowing you to quickly adjust settings, review footage, and navigate menus with ease. With its 24/7 parking mode, the dash cam continues to guard your car even when the engine is off, detecting motion, capturing events, and helping prevent theft or damage. Built-in GPS tracking logs your driving route and speed for added security, while 5.8G Wi-Fi connectivity makes it simple to transfer videos directly to your smartphone without delays. Designed for clarity, convenience, and complete protection, this 4-channel dash camera is the perfect solution for drivers who want total peace of mind on every journey. Number 2. The TRNSOL 4K plus 4K plus 1080p 3-channel dash cam delivers premium, all-around protection for your vehicle with exceptional clarity and advanced features. Its triple camera setup records the front in true 4K, the rear in 4K, and the cabin in crisp 1080p, ensuring every angle is captured with sharp detail. Whether you're commuting, ride-sharing, or taking long road trips, this dash cam provides reliable coverage you can trust. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6, 5.8 GHz connectivity, you can transfer videos at speeds up to 20 MB/s, making downloads fast and convenient through a companion app. The included 128 GB memory card ensures plenty of storage right out of the box, so you can start recording immediately without extra purchases. The built-in IR night vision enhances visibility in low-light conditions, capturing clear footage inside the cabin even in complete darkness. With integrated GPS, the dash cam accurately tracks routes, speed, and location data for added security and documentation. Designed for durability and ease of use, the TRNSOL dash cam offers peace of mind day or night, making an excellent choice for drivers who want complete, dependable video protection. Number 3. Experience next-level road protection with the Vantrue N4 Pro S4K 3-channel dash cam, engineered with advanced triple STARVIS 2 sensors for exceptional clarity in every direction. This premium system records in 4K Ultra HD at the front, 1080p inside the cabin, and 2.5K at the rear, ensuring detailed footage whether you're driving during the day or at night. Equipped with HDR and enhanced IR night vision, the N4 Pro S captures sharp, well-balanced video in low-light environments, perfect for rideshare drivers, daily commuters, and long-distance travelers. The dual-channel mode allows 4K plus 2.5K recording for even higher quality when you only need front and rear coverage. Its built-in voice control provides hands-free operation, letting you start recordings or take snapshots without distraction. With continuous loop recording, G-sensor event detection, and optional parking monitoring, this dash cam keeps watch even when your vehicle is off. Designed for reliability and convenience, the Vantrue N4 Pro S delivers a complete 360 degrees driving record, giving you confidence on every trip. Whether you're documenting scenic drives or safeguarding against unexpected incidents, this powerful dash cam is built to capture it all with unmatched precision. Number 4. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dash cam is designed to give drivers complete, reliable coverage of every moment on the road. Equipped with Ultra HD 2160p front recording and dual 1080p rear and interior cameras, this system captures crisp, detailed footage from all angles at the same time. Perfect for everyday driving, rideshare, or family road trips. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you can quickly download videos to your phone without lag, while the built-in GPS accurately logs your vehicle's route, speed, and location for added security and evidence when needed. The included 64 GB memory card ensures you can start recording immediately, with support for loop recording and automatic file protection during unexpected incidents. The compact 3-inch display provides clear, convenient playback and easy menu navigation. For nighttime driving, advanced IR night vision enhances interior recording, capturing passengers and cabin details even in low-light situations. Durable, user-friendly, and engineered for complete coverage, the REDTIGER F17 triple camera system is a dependable upgrade that boosts safety, clarity, and peace of mind every time you hit the road. Number 5. The VIOFO A3 29S 4K 3-channel dashcam is designed to give drivers complete, crystal clear coverage of every angle on the road. Its advanced 4K front camera captures ultra-detailed footage, ensuring key details like license plates and road signs are always visible. Paired with a 2K cabin fisheye camera featuring a wide 210 degrees field of view, it records the entire interior with exceptional clarity, ideal for rideshare drivers' road trips and added security. The 2K rear camera provides sharp, reliable coverage from behind, completing a full 3-way protection system. Equipped with Sony STARVIS 2 sensors across all channels, the A329S delivers outstanding low-light performance, keeping nighttime footage bright, balanced, and detailed. The power-saving parking mode offers efficient around-the-clock protection by detecting motion and events while using minimal energy. With Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, users can quickly preview, download, and manage recordings to the VIOFO app without delays. Built for durability, performance, and ease of use, the VIOFO A329S is a smart choice for drivers who value complete coverage, reliable recording, and next-generation dashcam technology.